It's so hot. Come sit on the bench. Drink some water.
A bench is a long seat for sitting. Let's cross the bridge. Who might be living inside the castle?
A bridge is something that is built above and across water. We have to cross the bridge.
You cannot cross.
We can cross! Is that Togi? Togi?
Togi!
Wow, look at this crowd! A crowd is a large group of people or animals together.
Let's dive in! It's really deep. Wow! A magic key! Deep means a long way down. What's inside this basket? Yuck! The fruit is rotten! Here are 5 fresh fruits. Wow! Thank you! Yummy!
Togi!
Throw it in the trash can. We are frowning.
Frowning means making an angry face.
Red light is a signal to stop. Let's travel around the world. Travel means visiting new places. Yeah!
Let's learn more fun words next time. Subscribe!